before we sleep. Let the lions of justice sound.